Cafe has been an establishment for about a year. So you went to there, and what did you like about her food truck?
Happenstance is the way it was meant to be. Little
And I
babies
saw that one of her
floating
specialties was
all
macaroni and cheese. It's supposed to be
waiting for the
a
right
secret
turn.
recipe. How was that? That was very good. And how was the ham? Which is something you normally don't see on food trucks, soul food.
Yeah, that's true. The ham was pretty good.
Okay, so would you go back again?
Apple you
Yes.
All right, thank
taste so happily. You dropped from the tree so happily. The seeds inside